Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ken of Glamlookbykem. I'm makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria, and any YouTuber. If you're a returning subscriber, you're a darling. But if you're new here, you're welcome as well. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Glam family. Alright, so today I'll be putting you guys through a soft glam tutorial. If you're interested in seeing how this look was achieved, keep watching. And if you've not subscribed, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. If you're an old subscriber, please share this video. We are almost at 400 subscribers. Yay! Like, I'm excited. It's a big deal for us, guys. It's a big deal. Guys, don't mind me. So let's head right into this tutorial. Hi people, welcome back. So I went ahead to use my Stay Matte Primer and I applied it all over my face as usual. I skipped under my eyes. You guys already know I don't prime. Nobody primes under their eyes. I don't know about why did I say nobody? I don't prime under my eyes, sorry. So after that I went ahead to use papaya hair gel for my brows. You guys already know this is what I use. It just helps my brows stay in place and it gives me this smooth outline for my brow. After that I went ahead to use my Flawless by Ivy Hydrating Mist and I allowed it to dry, and I mixed my Milani foundations. Yes, I decided to use Milani today with Huda Beauty instead of my regular L'Oreal. And after that I applied it all over my face and I used my hydrating mist as well. You guys, I live for this hydrating mist. And I went ahead to use the Nuban Beauty Blender, or rather Nuban Sponge, because Beauty Blender is a brand on its own. So I'm using my orange corrector here. We decided to give the lippy a break. So here we're using our orange corrector as a blush. You guys already know how it works. Please, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. So after using the blush, I went ahead to contour my face with the dark foundation from Milani. You guys already know I have a contour tutorial, a detailed contour tutorial on my channel. So if you're still interested in seeing how I contour my face in detail, please watch the video. I'll put the description the link in my description box. After that I went ahead to use my highlight concealer in medium beige and Zikel concealer, and I also went ahead to use this mini star, yes, for the outer corner of my eyes. Yeah, so this gives me a different vibe and a very different look. If you've not tried it, please try it out and let me know what you think. Using like 3 different concealers for highlighting. If it works well for you, please give me credit. Yes guys, so I'm going ahead to highlight my forehead, my chin, the usual places we highlight. I didn't want to fast forward this video because I just wanted to talk to you guys. So guys, if you're just watching this video, please help us achieve our goal of 400 subscribers this month of March. We can do it. You can share this video to your friends. Please share this video. Be intentional about this. Share this video. Share this video. Thank you. If you love me, do this. So after that I went ahead to do my contour, my nose contour, my liquid nose contour. I hardly do my nose contour, my liquid nose contour, but for this video I decided to try it out. Since I'm not going to have much going on all over my face or my eyes, why not just try and make my nose snatched, like snatched. So I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria, in case you don't know, and my studio is located at Sabuyaba. If you need my services, please do well to contact us on Instagram at Glamlookbykem, or you drop a message at Kim Murphy. I would reply. Thank you. So I went ahead to set my under eyes because I was done with my blending. Sorry, I was done with my blending, so I just had to set it and bake. Yes, I bake, guys, but you could just set it and you're fine as well. If you're not really having a function, you could just set it and go, more like it's cool makeup or a work makeup. I think I would film a work makeup for you guys sometime next month. I'm not sure when, but I'll bring it to you. At this point, I'm going to allow you guys just enjoy this tutorial. Watch. If you're confused about anything, do well to drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer your questions. Thank you.